Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 7 students. Dear students, our today's topic is Assignment 2. Let's see today's topic. Students, our today's topic is Assignment 2 and this is lecture number 1 of annual term. Dear students, let's begin the class. At first, we will see what is the assigned task for this Assignment 2. Look at here, this assignment is based on chapter 2, cellular organization of plants and animals. And assigned task is here. 1 number question here is draw and labeled the diagram of an animal cell and plant cell. 2 number question here is make a list of the voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles of the human body and write it in paper. 3 number question here is explain with a labeled diagram of the cell that can respond to stimuli of animal body. And instruction here is for 1 number question. Students will learn to draw plant and animal cell in poster or notebooks. And 2 number instruction here is for 2 number question. It is important to know which part of the human body are made up of voluntary muscles and which parts are involuntary muscles. And 3 number instruction here is for the 3 number question. We'll get an idea about the neuron cell in the body. Students, I have written here the answers of these questions. Here is the 1 number answer. 1 number question was draw and labeled the diagram of an animal cell and plant cell. I have written here labeled diagram of an animal cell and plant cell are given below. Then you will draw this plant cell or animal cell on the poster paper, or you can use A4 size paper also. You will draw like this. And I have labeled here, and you will label the diagram also. You have to do this. Look, let's see what is the label here. Look at here, this one I have labeled here. This organelle's name is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and here is plasma membrane and cytoplasmic matrix. Inside this cell, here is cytoplasmic matrix, and here this one is here rough endoplasmic reticulum, and here is nucleus. Whole things is nucleus, and here is nuclear pore, and this one is nucleolus, and here is chromatin fiber, thread like structure. Here is chromatin fiber, and here is inside this nucleus, here is nucleoplasm, and this structure name is Golgi body, and here is intercellular space. This one is mitochondria, and here is chloroplast. This one is chloroplast, and this one is the special characteristics of this plant cell, chloroplast. And here is cell wall. Cell wall is the another characteristics of this special characteristics of this plant cell, cell wall. And here is the vacuole. And the figure name is different parts of a plant cell. Then you will draw an animal cell. Look at here, I have drawn here an animal cell and I have labeled here. Let's see the labels here. Here is microvilli. This one is microvilli. Again, here is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This one is mitochondria. Mitochondria. And here is Golgi body. Golgi body. And the whole thing is here nucleus. And here is nuclear membrane. This part is called nuclear membrane. And here is nucleolus. Chromatin fiber. Chromatin fiber. And here is nucleoplasm. Inside this nucleus, here is nucleoplasm. And this one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. And this one is lysosome. And here is vacuole. This one is vacuole, small vacuole. And the figure name is here different parts of an animal cell. Now students, 2 number question. For 2 number question, the question was make a list of the voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles of the human body and write it in paper. I have written here 2 number answer. Answer is here, we can move few muscles on our will such as muscles of hands and legs. But there are muscles which we cannot move at our will. Muscles are 2 types such as voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles. When we bend our elbow, muscles of the upper arm contract and draw lower arm and make it bend. Muscles that we can contract and expand at our will and make our organs move are called voluntary muscles. Some example of voluntary muscles are given below. I have given here some example. 1 number muscles of hand, muscles of leg, 3 number diaphragm, and 4 number abdominals muscles, and here is biceps muscles. 2 number involuntary muscles, the responsibilities of the intestinal muscles is to transport of food stuff in digestive tract. We do not have any control on these types of muscles. It means the muscles that do not contract at our will are called involuntary muscles. Students, now come to here. Some example of involuntary muscles are given below. 1 number here is cardiac muscle, 2 number intestinal muscle, and 3 number blood vessels, 4 number respiratory tract, 5 number urogenital tract. Now come to here students, 3 number question answer. 3 number question was, will get an idea about the neuron cells in the body. Answer is, tissues of an organism that on responding to stimuli can create appropriate sensation are called nerve tissues. Neuron is the unit of nerve tissue. Every neuron is composed of 3 parts such as cell body, dendron and axon. Students, then you will draw this neuron picture. This one is a single neuron. And you have to label this figure. Look at here, I have labeled this figure. This one is dendrite. Here is dendrite. And this the center here is cell body. This is cell body. And here is the center of this cell is nucleus. Nucleus. And this one is axon. And here is node of Ranvier. And here is terminal buttons. Students, you will draw this neuron like this and you have to label this figure also. Now functions of nerve tissues. Receive impulses from different sense organs of the body and send impulse to the brain. And B number, active parts of the body respond to stimuli such as when a mosquito bites, this stimulus is sent to the brain. The brain informs the hand and tries to kill the mosquito. C number, storage of the stimuli or incidents in the memory. D number, coordinate among different physiological activities of the body. Students, I hope you will write your assignments properly, and your submission date of this assignment 2 is 15/7/2021. Your assignment submission date is 15/7/2021. Students, I hope you have understood today's topic and you will write this assignment properly. I hope that. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Assalamu alaikum.